In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Microsoft Word. If you're working on a document like a report, essay, manual, or any multi-page file, adding page numbers is a simple way to make everything look more organized and professional. It also makes your document much easier to read and navigate, especially when pages get printed or shared with other people. To get started, open your Microsoft Word document and look at the ribbon at the top of the screen. This is where most of the main tools are located. From there, click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab gives you access to items you can place into your document, such as pictures, tables, headers, footers, and of course page numbers. Once you're in the Insert tab, find the option labeled Page Number and click on it. This will open a menu with different placement choices for your page numbers. For example, you can place them at the top of the page, at the bottom of the page, in the page margins, or even at your current cursor position in some versions of Word. This gives you flexibility depending on the style of document you're creating. After you click Page Number, simply choose the location and design that best fits your document. Word will automatically insert the numbers for all pages, so you don't need to type them manually one by one. That saves time and also helps avoid mistakes, especially in longer documents. If you're trying to make your document look clean and polished, a common choice is to place page numbers at the bottom center or bottom right of each page. These are easy for readers to spot without being too distracting. If your document already uses headers or footers, just make sure the page number style matches the rest of the layout. One helpful thing to remember is that once page numbers are inserted, Word updates them automatically if pages are added, removed, or moved around. That means the numbering stays correct as your document changes, which is especially useful while editing. And that's all it takes. Just click Insert, then click Page Number, and choose the style and position you want. It's a quick feature, but it can make a big difference in how professional and easy to use your document feels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.